Good day, everyone. Welcome. Happy Wednesday times. Welcome, chat. Good morning, good evening, guys. Welcome, community. How are you doing, everyone? How do you enjoy your day? And what's happening in the markets would be one of my concerns. Let's just go ahead and share this presentation with pretty much all the community members existent and pretty much in all the trading groups that we know about. Like the video, guys, so we can get the ball rolling. $255, the market is extremely choppy. Have a look into that. Have a look into that and fill the markets. Crypto is out of discussion, is just pretty much half that. So, for those of you that are dealing with cryptos, you have the opportunity to deal with all sorts of pain, fear, uncertainty. And a complete missing of the expected cycle. Good day, everyone. Great to see you. Gold is going to break below today. I told you I'm waiting for gold. Here's our representation we made yesterday. This is what we have talked about yesterday during the live stream. I'm waiting to see these two levels. This one and potentially 3,500. If you get 3,500, that's a blind long. 3,900 is from where the market could actually bounce. And we could be there for months and months without doing another all-time high and consistent. Right, so this movement that we have here is probably something that if the market rotates from gold into the crypto, you're gonna see that as well. A such move to the upside. If we have the rotation coming in. I mean, I'd like to get this, right? For gold. That would be lovely, guys. Good evening out there. Good day, everyone. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video. We've got 2 giveaways. And of course, for those of you that are fresh, make sure to join our Discord. The Discord link is right there. I haven't used Legends yet. Although my coupon code Scramble works at Legends too, so for those of you that use Legends trading, you can use that coupon code. I haven't used them yet. They're fine as a company. Certainly they're fine as a company. Scramble code gives you the maximum discount available. At some point, I'm going to introduce them when I start trading with Legends. Right, so at some point, I'm going to have them on board. Yeah, I just got late from playing tennis once again. Usually before the streams, I'm playing tennis with my coach. And we've talked about tactical strategies at the end of 2 hours session of running around the court, hitting the forehands, hitting the backhands, and doing all sorts of drills and exercises. On intensity training model. Good morning, everyone. Intense, right? That's what we are looking for. So back to Nasdaq, which is looking beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Grabbing our 5-minute chart, let me share with you. I mean, trading this is a nightmare. Trading this is certainly a nightmare. Yes. A lot of the fun, a lot of the great moments, and a very nice feeling during the game. Afterwards, hitting winners, having a great time playing is absolutely mandatory for me. We're still onboarding with Ticktick Trader. We gotta wait. The onboarding process is still ongoing, so we have to wait. Ticktick Trader is still running massive discounts, by the way, for you to grab it. Oh, NQ is a total nightmare, buddy. Is a total nightmare. Just by looking at this charts and watching this picture right here is making me stay totally away. Right, so if I would need to do live trading on this market, I would certainly not enjoy, and my P&L would not enjoy too. But we're gonna get our Ignite accounts. That's how we're gonna get started. 541, 555, the first two Ignite accounts. There's gonna be big news about the Ignite accounts that will resume, guys, under a total different form. Under a crazy form. So Ignite accounts will resume under a crazy form. Total different product. I got to know about it, and I'll tell you at a time it's going to be live. It's gonna be way more attractive than it is today. Right, so there's gonna be Ignite accounts on Top 1 Futures in a total different form. They will launch a new product, Ignite version number 2. We're gonna talk about it at the perfect time. It's not live yet, so I cannot tell you details, but it's something really competitive. And at the same time, just like I said, we're going to introduce a new partnership. I don't know if we're going to do it this week or simply by Sunday or Monday, right? We might have it up by Sunday, and then we might start trading their accounts by Monday. It's a new partnership. It's not a new company. It's a great collaboration that we have set. So I think we're going to talk about it in the upcoming days once we have a bit of a schedule going on.
Order filled.
Testing out a little rejection here. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. No, I don't think they were fixed. It's still under support discussion. I don't think they've been fixed. I didn't verify those accounts yet. I'll have to verify them. I've reached out to Top 1 Futures and they will fix it. But I'm assuming they have a lot of support tickets going around. And trust me, I don't have every single time a privileged situation in support, so I'm not even requesting most of the time anything like that. So I'll just have to wait, I guess. Thinking to go 10 accounts straight to Funded Plus with Ticktick Trader in coming days. Trader's Nest. Well, it is what brought us to live trading. So the Ticktick Trader, you know, we've cashed out 30 grand. We talked about in our Discord, you have a great possibility there. We talked about here how you can actually go for a much bigger live wallet. Instead of just 10,000, you can actually go for a much bigger. Because with the last withdrawal you do the biggest possible, right? So all that money is going to also come into your live wallet. They take it as a chunk, right? I had $8,000 and the last withdrawal in my live wallet put another 4 grand. So they put me on 12. And I got $12,000 for my live threshold. I didn't cash out another 2,000 because I had 8 just to hit the threshold. I've cashed out more. If I would have cashed out from 10 accounts, I would have received $8,000 in my last withdrawal. And that would have put me on 16 grand. Oh, this is too much profit, guys. We forget setting the take profit, and now we've made too much. But we're gonna close the trade, right? Let's put a stop loss there. Hopefully it's gonna get hit. I'm out
Order
here. I'm
filled.
fine. $531. Beautiful, guys. We have actually touched the target. Ladies and gentlemen, first target hit today on 2 accounts for the Ignite. Come on. We got a good entry. Boom. Celebration time. Fireworks. Great music. 2 giveaways on board. Look at that. I don't think I got my $5,000 back. We're gonna look into that. Yeah, it's too much. 531. Actually, I could lose another $10 here. So I'm gonna open up a position. 20 bucks. I could lose 20 bucks, guys. So I'm gonna short the markets to lose 20 bucks. 25. Let's lose $25. We only need around 500 bucks here for the for the equity stability score. 598. That's beautiful. That's great. We don't need more than that. It's still a profitable month so far on this Ignite accounts. Is a great profit to have. Is a great problem to have. You saw what happened with my 5,800 we made. They just wiped out. Good. Let's connect for the other. 73, 77 up to 96. Connect the other 4. Ignite. 73, 77, 85, 96. Let's just connect this 4 accounts. We just got rejected 3 different times from the weekly volume weighted average price. Slightly above we have the daily volume weighted average price. Slightly above the 200 EMA. So this is not a comfortable level for the bulls to deal with. But if we have the energy to break through the market orders of the bears, we're nicely going to cross 305, or at least that's the level I'm looking forward retesting today. With gold coming down, I'm still expecting gold to continue down. And then once it slows, I'm expecting basically from the stocks and from the crypto world to gain more capital and run through the river. We can have a fixed range volume profile line indicator set basically for this ranging chart, right? From the beginning of the structure, the fixed range volume profile line indicates that we have a pivot level on 312, right? So that black line right there, this one is a pivot level that will give us difficulties. Good day, good morning everyone. You're late for the first winner for the first target hit on the first round of Ignite accounts. Yeah, pretty crazy on the gold side. Pretty crazy. But a lot of the money to be made from shorts. Tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars to be made from shorts here. I'd like to see Russells finally doing something else and getting above the 500s. I need Russells for Russell 2000 for the altcoin market. And of course, time for US dollar to break above. Testing out a little short here, guys, with a stop loss tight above the wick. And the nice profit mark into a continuation. Once we touch the 44, I'm going to go break even. We're pretty tight here.
Order filled.
No, that didn't work. Russell 2000 basically is the representative for the altcoin seasons in every single cycle we had so far.
Order
Jumping
filled.
back in my short with a stop loss above. It is the way it has been in all the cycles so far. It has a correlation with the lower market cap stocks, just like the altcoins that are lower or medium caps. That's the correlation about it. Good morning, everyone. Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video. You definitely want to watch Russell 2000 the way it went in 2021. That's the time we pretty much generated exactly the same pattern like we had for altcoins. Putting the break even here, guys. Actually, I'm
Order
out.
filled.
I'm out. We managed to earn $100 on this trade. It's a level that could give us a decent reaction of a couple of points that would have, however, touched my break even. It makes no sense not to take that $100. So we're going to trade today, or Ticktick trade or not, because we're waiting for the live transition. We have qualified for live. We've got 12 grand in the account, in the live wallet. We went basically for 15 grand cash rewards, which is paid in Rise, and then $12,000 that have been collected in our live threshold, and that's what we're going to get for the live. I just cannot wait to get started, guys. I'm so excited with that one. And, you know, as I said, as I promised, the first payout we do from the live account achieved from the Ticktick Trader performance is going to be completely shared back to our YouTube, Discord, trading community right there, fully shared back to you guys in cash format. I'm gonna go live when the onboarding process is gonna be completed, which I hope this month, right? I don't think it's gonna be this week, but I certainly think it's gonna be next week, which is my take on that. Hopefully by 27th Monday, we're ready to fly. Hopefully. Once again, guys, for those of you that would like to grab your accounts, I'm going to share some of the links here. That's the Ticktick Trader link, and of course the Tap 1 futures as well. Utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE for the highest discounts available pretty much everywhere, including Savius. Well, that's the link here. 60% off. We're going to trade Savius on Quantower. This is looking really difficult to perform. I don't even know what to do here, guys. I got no idea what to do here, honestly. Look at that. 15-minute looks way more tradable. And if we apply a bit of Fibonacci, we'll see that the fixed range volume profile line is going in contact at the top with the golden pocket, which is in between two black lines. So that 312 is a really strong level. If we cross that, we're going all-time high. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. There's a few options I have to look into that, guys, and share with you. There's a few options for the brokers. I have to look into that and share with you. I'll do that, guys. Stage 5 is their broker. Stage 5. It's a great one. Stage 5 broker. I guess they are from United States. We're having a tremendously strong supply pressure at this level, so 260s, 270s, all the way into 290s, and then slightly above 310. It's all about difficulties. We're struggling, guys. Yep. Thank you, guys. Good morning, everyone. Exactly, that's what you guys are going to use for the Ticktick Trader live trading stage 5 broker. Having multiple options as platforms to trade. So you're going to be fine with that. You just got to get to the live stage. And I'm telling you, with a points system, guys, with a points system where you don't have consistency on Ticktick Trader and you can let your winners run, which will cover your losses that you might have. And we assume that we have a few losses here or there. Is a system that is creating an advantageous situations. Of course, the payout during the sim phase is not the biggest, but it's kind of preparing you for the live stage where you actually collect your own money that are moved live. Now with a straight to funded plus, Ticktick Trader has 10 to 12, 14 days, between 10 days and 2 weeks as business days, right? Converting to live with a straight to funded plus. There's 2 different ways to reach to live on Ticktick Trader. Straight to funded plus, or through straight to funded plus accounts, the new ones without consistency, and the instant funded, the old ones. The old ones takes like a month. The new ones, a lot faster, between 10 days to 2 weeks, I'm assuming. Yeah, the point system is really comfortable. I can see that with my community, guys. Certainly I can see that. It's end of the day drawdown with a point system. Your points will never ever get lost. You're just collecting points. If you have a yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated, guys. I mean, I'm gonna trade the live account only on the live stream. So the very first moment the account is ready, I'm not even gonna test it before the live stream. Trading will only happen during the live stream on the live account. I'm not joining a live stream, I'm not trading. Very simple. I want to do it in the hardest and highest pressure way possible, but at the same time, for me, transparency is essential. Good morning, everyone. Welcome, guys. Happy to see you on board. Make sure to like the video. We bring up those numbers. We got 2 giveaways today. And keep in mind, at some point this week, we're going to announce a new partnership. Testing
Order
out a little
filled.
short here.
Order filled.
Adding a little more to this. Good morning, welcome, guys. I don't think we have an easy time crossing this. Unless the market explodes with some wild volume. Some kind of fat finger takes 30 points. We're gonna find it out. But for the moment, I don't think this is an easy breakout. Good morning, everyone. We had the first round of fireworks touching the target on the other Ignite accounts. If the market wants to deliver at this point, we're going to have another round. We're going to set the stop loss there. We cannot allow this to go higher. And it makes no sense. That's a pretty interesting invalidation point, right? Working around the wicks of that. Putting it a little bit lower, back into the wick.
Order filled.
Your stop loss has been touched there. The other 2 accounts are a little bit closer, but we have to make a lot here, and we're limited to $500 a day. This is with equity stability score on the top 1 futures Ignite accounts, which, by the way, are not even available anymore. We have to make a lot of the money here, like another 5 grand with maximum $500 a day. So it's like a warm-up type of account right now for me. All the 6 that we have, it's they've been alive for the whole month. We haven't lost them. We're consistently trading them. Look at that. But it's more like a training, right? It's more like a training what we do with the Ignite accounts. It's a training of discipline. It's a training of discovering some real numbers. This is for October. And then we also traded in September, guys. So there's a lot of the trading happening on this Ignite accounts. With a max loss of 1,000 per day and a profit of 500, we have 3,600. We have a good edge there, even though the profit is negative on risk and reward against the stop loss. That's true. Let's see what we can do. We just broke out, but I think this is an opportunity
Order
here of
filled.
reversal. Let's see, guys. I think this could be an opportunity of reversal. Not expecting anything wild or crazy, but a nice, decent wick. And probably a continuation afterwards. Yeah. I'm really interested right now with the Savius, guys. We need to do... I have to verify with the Savius. How much do we have to earn exactly on Savius for... Because we're pretty close to the payout. Stop loss and break even.
Order
I'm getting
filled.
out of this position. We have cut some of our loss. We're fine for the moment like that. Looking for a better positioning, right? Have a look into this one, guys. Look at this one. Our Savius account. Can you guys see this? Chat, hey, everyone, have a look into our Savius account. We're gonna trade this today. Look at that. Session 9 out of 10. Today is gonna be the last session, right? Consistency target 157,570. We have 6,774. So let me do the math. What's the difference between 7,570 minus 6,774? 796 net profit today. $800. We gotta earn today $800 and we qualify for a payout. It's a huge payout, $3,000, only paying $256 for an account like this, and you can have 5. Right? That's pretty exciting, guys. Pretty exciting, honestly. Ticktick Trader about 48 hours as a business day. That's how much is usually, 48 hours. So we gotta do today around $800
Order filled.
for the Savius.
Order filled.
$800 and we go for the payout. We're gonna trade Savius a little later.
Order filled.
Come on, boy. We got a decent short here. Yeah, I have to do more because of the 20% consistency. Because I made more in a day than 1,500. Slightly more, so I have to do a little bit more. It's still a good day, right? It's still 900 bucks. Surely it secures us a pound. You know, whatever above $800 net clears for a pound. We've been making around 1,500 daily at the time we're going for the targets. So have to do somewhere half of that. By the way, for those of you that care about a Savius offer, 60% off with my code. It's a huge deal out there. It's just that their daily loss limit is a hard breach. And you gotta set a stop loss if you don't want to go hard breach. Right? Set a stop loss and make it a soft breach. Come on, we don't have any energy to pretty much sink the markets here. Just get below the 60s. I can finally put my break even. Look at that, guys. It's not going. I'm putting my break even right now. I'm putting my break even right now. Nice and slow, right? Keep going nice and slow then. I'm ready to do whatever it takes, right? Nah, it's a fake market. Look at that.
Order filled.
It just touched my break even. It's just touching my break even, and now probably it's gonna collapse. Look at that. That's no surprise, right? We got the algo. 30 minutes before the US opens on the flat opening. Come on.
Order filled.
Watch this one sinking. Pull it back here around. Pull it back. Come on. Back into 57. No. What's wrong with you? Oh.
Order filled.
Let's just go for a nice target here. Putting the break even once again. You want to go for that cliff? Come on. Couple of points. You've been nicely... I've been smelling that sure that movement to the upside was fake to pretty much trap people. Been smelling that we've been DCA, right? I'm out.
Order filled.
372 profit there from a 270 loss, right? Beautiful, guys. Let's gonna celebrate. Come on. Just celebrate. Make sure to join our Discord community. Happy New Year, everyone. A much better trade on a re-entry. I think we're going lower.
Order filled.
I think we're going lower. I think this candlestick is gonna have a continuation at least to the 50s. And we can nicely collect our target there. Come on. We only need $150 more. That's all we need. Putting break even, guys. We're risk free.
Order filled.
We touched the break even.
Order filled.
Oh, rebuying into this. Adding
Order
a bit of a
filled.
spiciness, right? Bit of spicy.
Order filled.
I just caught a huge part of my
Order
position,
filled.
caught the other side as well, gave back $100. I don't like this move. I don't like it for the moment, even though it could still be bearish and go down. I don't like it. I have to wait, guys. So I exited. You know, 15 minute here is bearish, clearly confirming the rejection there, and with this 15 minute we have giving us a double confirmation. BTC is sleeping below the daily opening. It pumped yesterday $7,000 and then it dumped back $7,000. Same thing for the other cryptocurrencies. That's the story about them.
Order filled.
Retesting out this short here.
Order filled. Order
Putting
filled.
break even. Didn't even have time to put break even while we touched the target, guys. Celebration time. Finally, back-to-back profits and targets hit $486. That's sufficient, guys. You just have to do 500. Boom. We got some Sim Pro accounts. This is you know, they have to correct my max loss. But they still did not corrected my max loss, as it looks like. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, guys. Let's go. Looks like for my Sim Pro accounts, we traded on 20. They still did not corrected my stop loss. My maximum loss limit is above the balance. They took my profit away, but did not adjust it. My max loss. So they let my max loss, which was trailing, and it was trailing based on the profit I made, right? Obviously. So you let my stop loss to trail with the profits you eliminate. But support is going to fix that, right? I'm certain about it. Support is going to fix that. We need $800. Let me just grab my Quant Tower and let's get ready for Savius. We need $800, $850, and we're ready to go for the payout. $3,000, $2,700 net. That's going to be a hell of a moment. So we have a good chance today qualifying for a payout. The last day. Ticktick Trader, we're waiting for the live onboarding process to be completed. Thank you guys for joining, by the way. We have a lovely time here. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Join our Discord, like the video, be part of the community, which is fighting for greatness. This is the account that needs 800 bucks. This is the account that actually wants $800 profit. And it's ready to go for the payout. We're grabbing our first long position here with 3 minis. We have $2,000 stop loss. 250 bucks you have to do to receive a point on that account. It's 0.5% a day. Right, 0.5% of the original balance. Means 1 point. You can maximum gain a single point a day. Stop loss on my entry, guys. We have an interesting situation here. And the stop loss has been touched on break even. We made $12. The markets are playing with us. Getting ready for the next payout. Get ready, guys, for the giveaway. "20 minutes and the market opens. Possible reversal point here. But I'd like to see if we can push this one higher. Four minis long. I think we could at least attack that 70s. At least attack that. Music is back. For some reason it was off. Thank you for letting me know. Putting the stop loss on break even, guys. We have to do $800, I told you, for the payout, but we're gonna put $890. Come on. Let's go, guys. 7-8 points more for the payout. I'm gonna have a partial exit here. Right? A partial exit there. Half of my position is going to be sold there. And I'm fully exiting here, guys. We made $552, so we need 250 bucks more. $250 more, $300 more, and we qualify for the payout. Ladies and gentlemen, that's how we do it. Celebration time. Celebration time before hitting the target. Let's go. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Come on. It's gonna be the first payout on Savius where you know what kind of trading we've been doing here with 30 minis and 20 minis and 25 minis and stuff like that. We've been not really pushing that serious. I've been working on my Ticktick total differently. We made it to live with Ticktick and no longer focusing the same on the Savius performance. But now we don't have Ticktick because we're waiting for live transitioning to be completed and we're considering differently. Ascending performance. We're dealing right now with a 200 EMA. Let me share with you guys. 200 EMA line is there, the blue one. We also have the daily opening slightly above. 383. What if I make this lines? No, we can't change the whole design of it. Daily opening 283 is a decent target. $300 more and we are good for the payout. That's a big one, guys. Testing out a little short here. I'm gonna cut this if it's going ugly. Yeah. I cut this. We lost about 200 bucks, 220. No problem with Savius payouts. We just have to qualify. No retracement yet. Did open another short here. Once we get to 71, I'll go break even, guys. Come on. I'm going break even right now. Let's go for the target, guys. That's the final target there. Couple of more points. Let's get the bleeding going. Don't you dare to touch my break even. We're one tick away. Oh, we've touched that. We need like $500 more. Pretty close, guys. Pretty close. This is still strong for a push. Might want to touch that 284 daily opening mark. It's not giving up that early. But you see all the push here, guys. All the push here. Before the opening is... I'm trading right now Quantower, Savius. But usually I'm trading Ticktick Trader instant funding accounts, Tap 1 Futures instant funding accounts, and Savius instant funding accounts. And what we're trading today basically is 150k account straight to funded, 256 on Savius. Pretty good price. Now it's functioning Tap 1 Futures. We've traded today on Tap 1 Futures, hitting our targets. Their Project Accs is working. I'm reshorting this, guys. Even though we have a long wick, I'm not really trusting it. Added more. Let's see. If we push to the upside, not an issue. We're gonna cut it off. But usually I'm not trusting those wicks. Putting break even right now. Putting break even right now, and we're going to the target, guys. 3 more points needed. Come on, guys. Start clapping your hands. Start clapping your hands. We're about to hit the payout. Beautiful cliff. Lowering my exit. Putting it right above the wick we have there. Beautiful, guys. Look at that. Pretty close to the payout. Pretty close to the payout. That was 1 point away. That was 1 point away from our target. 68.5. Come on. What's happening here, guys? Market makers are doing their dirty jobs once again on our sim environment. Look at that. Completely wicking up on the 1 minute. But I'm trusting you guys. I'm trusting. And I'm leaving this one open. Beautiful. Putting the trailing right there, 272, putting the trailing at the end of the wick, and we touched the target, 849 bucks. There you go, guys. We've qualified for the payout. Celebration time. Celebration time, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. Market is pumping. $3,000 pound. $3,000 pound. This is how we're going to celebrate. What a great time, everyone. Make sure to like the video. Come on. There you go. We brought it at the necessary level. Brought it at the necessary level. With a trailing, with a hard breach of daily loss. No matter what. Thank you guys. You get into the giveaway by staying on the live stream, liking the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. The giveaway is going to happen on the live stream a little later. Exactly before the opening, which is the time I need for trading, for greatness. Today it was back-to-back profits. 6 accounts on Tap 1 Futures hitting the target, and then this one here. Only 7 giveaways. Now we're gonna have giveaways coming out soon. And we're gonna have a lot of the giveaways with the new partnership that will be announced, not today, in the upcoming days. So you guys will have a great time with that one too. We're expanding, right? Our community needs options, and we need options to perform, collect more money, make more money. Very important. Diversify and make more money. Like from prop firms, we should be able to make anywhere between $50,000 to $100,000 a year. We have 30 grand cashed out from Ticktick. 41,000 from Tap 1 Futures. We talked about that one on YouTube as well in my last video about the Tap 1 Futures. So there's, you know... Oh! Look at the algo. It's not a new firm. It's a firm that has been online for a while. But we're going to have a new partnership with them. I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about it. You know, we're moving right now to the crazy 300k account that I'm going to long 5 minis here. Crazy 300k account. I'm longing like a mad 10 minis here. Let's do some 10 minis long before the opening. Not legends, not legends. I already have a coupon code at Legends. If you want to use that, it's Scramble. You can use it. A same coupon code like pretty much everywhere, but I haven't made videos about Legends. It's not going to be Legends. It's a different one, and I cannot tell you. Let's just go crazy out here on this account, guys. Are you ready? Are you guys ready to go crazy? We got 10 minis. We're not going to answer. We're not going to answer. We're trading 10 minutes. We got to focus. Adding 5 more contracts to this. We're trading 15 minis. Total wild craziness. 15 minis before the opening. Yeah, 90% off right now. Exactly. Legends gives you 90% off. Yeah, if you guys know about that one. 5 more. 20 minis. 20 minis long. Crazy madness. I don't want to say I'm going to sacrifice this account for the payout we're going to take today. But it kind of looks like that. No, we have a stop loss here. And there is drawdown, so I'm not worried about. And we're going to have some fun, right? Yeah, exactly. Real broker behind. You know, I'm going to film about them at some point later. I'm going to film about them. Oh, what's happening, guys? I have to put a stop loss there. I don't want to lose this account. I'd like to be above my entry point to set a break even. at the opening, right? Like, you don't want to be on the opening with 20 minis, right? Do you? What do you guys think about to be at the opening with 20 minis? Come on. Just get above my entry point so I can sit on break even at the opening. Less than 2 minutes to go. We have a stop loss set on my daily level, so it's not an issue. You know, we're controlling the loss here. But obviously, this is definitely not the best way to do trading, I'm telling you. Like, this is something else than the real trading. Normally at this time I should DCA, but I'm not. 1 minute to go. Normally at this time I should DCA on 65 here, but I'm not. With that wick to the upside, you would like to DCA. Less than a minute to go. You know, I might just cut my position a little bit if we're sitting at this price before the opening. 30 seconds to go, guys. Pretty tight. $20 seconds to go. Come on. Bring it a little bit higher. 10 seconds to go. I just sold 10 contracts, accepted 1,000. And I'm leaving the rest open, guys. We have the opening. Now, we touched the stop loss there. Wow, look at that. $3,800. It went a little bit to the upside, and then it dumped. Look at this nice opening that we have. Let's go. Look at a beautiful dump we have, right? It's a madness. The price action is covering madness around. You can easily get cooked. But the good part, we already qualified for the payout. And it's a little bit different for us. So we secured today. I'm going to request the payout by the end of the day balance. $3,000. I'll get $2,700. I'm going to be pretty happy about that one. I mean, it's more than 10 times than the amount of money you pay. You paid $256 for an account that gives you $2,700 net payout. And the profit target is at 5%. We're gonna wait a few more minutes and then start a giveaway, guys. A few more minutes. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Be subscribed. Once again, the coupon code is Scramble pretty much everywhere, including Legends. Haven't told you about it, Legends trading, but there is 90% off with their challenges, which is like, you know, $19 for an account. Like challenges, not instant funded. Yeah. Look at that. This might just continue to drop. Gold has a local bottom here. I don't know, I'm pretty skeptical if this is sustainable, guys. Pretty interesting. Nasdaq is dropping. Russell 2000 is pumping. I think we're going below. Let's see. There's so much liquidity below the 200s. Now, yesterday I did not trade it. Ticktick Trader. I'm waiting for Ticktick Trader to be moved on live. So I am in live transitioning for Ticktick Trader. I'm not trading them actively. I got to talk with the top 1 futures that I traded, and they messed up my max loss limit. I mean, I talked to them already, and I'm in their queue of support, which I assume takes time. But we got to the threshold for the Ticktick Trader. We took 30 grand payouts, 15 grand in a live wallet, and the rest of 3,000 is back for Ticktick Trader. Yeah. Alright, guys, we're gonna take it slowly to the place we have to take this video, as usually. And that place is called Giveaways on the Wheel. Giveaways on the wheel, guys. Right, so wait, do not guess yet. Number 1 thing. How to join? Like the video. Be subscribed. All right, we're gonna time out this guy. No, we're gonna time out this guy quickly. Put a timeout 24 hours. Daffy Duff, you're out. You can relax for 24 hours and enjoy how others are gonna be nicely winning. Joiner, yeah, it was a bot probably. Join our Discord as well. Right, so like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. These are the things you gotta do, guys, before we are starting. I'll give you 10 seconds. Blessings, everyone. This is gonna be a 25k tap on futures end of the day drawdown, instant funded. Right, so once again, 25,000 tap on futures end of the day drawdown, instant funded. And the second giveaway will be with a Ticktick Trader, 50 grand straight to funded plus. But now we get started with the first one. Let me know your numbers, guys. You can start right now. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. Only 1 guess per person. Do not dare to guess multiple numbers. Do not dare to guess from multiple accounts. You're nicely going to get banned. Right, so not a big deal. By the way, today we have a beautiful celebration time. We've qualified for a payout on Ticktick Trader. Finally, we've qualified for a payout on Ticktick Trader. Which is great news. Oh, did I set Ticktick Trader? No, we qualified for payout on Savius. Ticktick Trader is waiting for live transitioning. And that's it, guys. No more guesses. Stop. No more. No more guesses, guys. It's over. We're going to shuffle this numerous times. and we're good to fly. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. Let's go. Come on. Thank you, guys. Let's see if you make it to the duck race. We are having a Savius payout today. It has been conquered. We have a double 4 coming up and a triple 5. That's going to be a triple 5. I'm having the brake pedal. That's going to be a triple 5. I'm telling you, we're not going to cross that. There you go. Congratulations, everyone. This was the easiest way to qualify. Number 5 is the most enjoyed. The whole process to be moved on live is between 10 business days and 2 weeks. Yeah, it's a process that needs to be done properly in a professional manner with a serious stage 5 called broker company. Stage 5. You want to check that out as well. Congratulations for the winners on number 5. 38 winners. Oh, that's not much, guys. I did expect it around 45. Looks like you guys are no longer that friendly with that number 5. What's happening with you? We had a triple 5 coming out there. And start. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Come on. Exactly. If you have to guess the number, the color. So who needs this? Let me know. Who seriously needs this? Like, not those of you that have 25 accounts already and 40 accounts and 50 accounts funded, but the ones that have 0 or below 0. Happy kids, I can see you there. So let me know who needs you. Arthur, I can also see you. 15 seconds to go. You got this. Come on. Who's gonna take this? 5 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up? Yuck Trades. Look at that. Yuck Trades. I don't know this guy. Who is this guy? Congratulations, buddy. Congratulations, buddy. Look at that. We got Arthur on the 5th. I cannot trade any sim-funded environment when I'm live. I cannot trade. They're gonna be on paused. So when I'm finally moved on live, I will have my sim-funded accounts on pause. Congratulations, guys. Let's get to the second giveaway. Are you here, winner? Winner, are you still with us? I can't see you replying. Can't see you enjoying an instant funding account worth hundreds of dollars that you just make money. Someone is enjoying from a different account. Look at that. Whoa. Thanks, everyone. Why is the other guy saying, wow, thanks, everyone? Look at that, guys. Someone is just enjoying the winning of a different account. Right? The power of... Look at that. Is he enjoying from a different account? He's enjoying it. He's congratulating. He's... Alright, guys. We're going to take care about that. Don't worry. We're going to take care about that one. He's saying thanks for everyone. From a different profile. Look at that one. And now he switched the accounts and he's saying thanks, guys. Good stuff, right? Pretty good stuff. Alright, so let's just do what we have to do. And get to the second duck race. Finally, look at that. He's back on track. Thanks, guys, finally. And then thanks, everyone. Right? On one pile, he said thanks, everyone. And then on the other one said thanks, guys. Look at that. This is the way we're pulling it. We're gonna fix it, guys. If tomorrow we have 4, 5, 6 giveaways, do not be surprised, right? Don't be surprised if... Now, I have to verify that on my backend for sure, just to be 100%. I'm right now 99% of it, guys. 99% sure about that guy, but I have to verify it on the backend for sure. So, we're gonna get started with a second giveaway, guys. Let's go, start right now. Can you believe that, guys? He celebrated from a different account. Oh my god. He celebrated from a different account. How on earth is that possible? Yesterday we had a back-to-back winner. It was legit. He got both accounts. He actually confirmed that in our community. This is a Ticktick trader giveaway, so careful for those of you that have country restriction. Do not join 50 grand straight to funded. You want to stop right there. No more guesses. It's over. It's over. So careful, guys. If you're winning the number, if you're winning the duck race, do not congratulate from your secondary accounts. We're gonna see that. Careful to switch back on the account you actually won. At least do that, right? We're gonna shuffle this only once. And we have a 4 number 5s. Look at that. Can you guys see that? We have 4 number 5s in a row. Pretty dangerous, right? Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. First time coming. We're not gonna touch the quadruple 5. We just passed through that. It's over. No more risk with the number 5. It's gone. You're not gonna have the number 5. That might be the number 3, guys. For which I am. Is this the second giveaway? I'm pressing the pedal and pushing the brake right now with the other leg. There you go. We got you on the number 3. Congratulations for the winners. I pushed the brake a little harder. Pretty close to that, Jake. Come on. 260s on Nasdaq. Not bad, right? Let's get to the duck race. But careful, guys. Do not congratulate from your other accounts. Wow. 57 winners. Oh my god. 57. Look at that. No, you guys are going to compete 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 57 winners. So crowded. You're not going to discuss. You know, I'm giving you 2 minutes and 30 seconds to have sufficient time to discover your names. Because that's going to be crowded. Shuffle. And we're ready to fly. I just want you to have time to see your name, that's why. 2 minutes and 30 seconds, oh my god. Let's go. We got to the payout today, ladies and gentlemen. So we're gonna have some, we're gonna have some, think about what we're gonna take today. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. We're gonna take today Veuve Clicquot. We're gonna take today a nice Clicquot champagne and enjoy the ride to the payout, right? We're gonna take the Clicquot today and enjoy. So, a full audit, KYC. We're gonna do KYC. KYC. Last time we were 188 on the first giveaway, Jake. 188. And we had just a few winners. from 188. Just a few winners. But the Clicko is gonna be there. Keep going. 1 minute to go. It's like everyone is on the list. Even if they pick board numbers, only their first number is going to be accepted by the system. So you can pick 20 numbers, your first number is only going to be counted. Your first guess is the only counted. Come on, let's go. 20 seconds to go. All the other guesses are not counted. Of course. But probably we got some bots here for sure, that's why. Which are not visible in the views, in the viewers. Bots are not visible in the viewers. Jimmy and Kendall, we got a Kendall. Look at that one, guys. We got a Kendall boy out here winning. Veloc hit the stop loss. But the Kendall is not the first time winner. Congratulations, I know this guy. He's not the first time winner. Jimmy on the second one. That was pretty close, Jimmy. Now, bots are not viewers, and sometimes we have around 220, 250, 270 guesses, unique guesses of the first number. 250, 260, 270. Unique guesses of first number of first guesses. Right, with 160 viewers, that's like 100 guesses extra. Where is the Kendall? Is the Kendall with us? Are you here, Kendall? You are pretty good, Veloc. Yeah, Kendall is here. Make sure you do not congratulate from a different account. Thank you once again, guys. Appreciate it. Right, prepare tomorrow for numerous giveaways. Prepare, guys. Prepare tomorrow, we might have a bunch of giveaways. Because I'm smelling the first winner we had today. I mean, it totally disappeared, as you can see. It's no longer in the chat. It just wrote, thank you, Scramble, congrats everyone, thanks guys, you know, that stuff, and it totally disappeared, right? So from the guy from the first giveaway totally disappeared. And now, because I said something, he's probably coming back on the chat in the upcoming 10 seconds, and you're gonna see him, right? But the first winner totally disappeared. Which, you know what it is when that happens. However, no, we're gonna redo the giveaway if it's needed. Like 99%, I'm sure we have to redo it tomorrow. If it's needed, we're gonna redo it tomorrow, guys. So stick with us. 8 AM EST time. Join on board. Coupon code Scramble for anything you need, guys. For everything you need, pretty much everywhere we are affiliated, you can give it a try. Gives you the maximum discount available. There you go. I told you he's gonna be writing us. He's gonna be jumping on board if I say something, right? Good stuff, guys. Enjoy your day. Have a lovely time. Peace. Careful. 270 back on Nasdaq. Look at that. Oh my god. Look at a wick, guys. Look at a wick. 100 points out there. Flushed through the liquidations, and now it's going to the all-time highs.